Social Tea, we enjoy thinking differently for our clients and the partners that we work with. Today is a great example of just that. We brought together media and influencers to the beautiful Nectar Yoga B&B on Bowen Island. In collaboration with our PR partners for the BC Blueberry Council Town Hall, this is an example of how we love to bring people together to enjoy a product and an experience for nature and namaste. First of all, I'm going to introduce Andrea, who's the founder of Nectar Yoga.
Whenever I do anything wellness related, it's never just one area.
Next, we're so thrilled to have Erica share with us a little bit more about the menu today.
Today we're having a blueberry themed menu.
Well, at Sage, we're all about celebrating natural wellness and being in nature. And what we heard about this event is that we were going to be in nature and we were going to celebrate wellness. So it was a perfect partnership together.
Today came together to empower our guests to enjoy nature, namaste, and of course, BC Blueberries. So what does empowerment mean to you?
Empowerment means when everyone's able to come together in a safe space and bring each other up.